This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Lord Bender back at it again with another banger video, man. And as y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, in today's video we are doing a POV drive cutting up in the city with SRT LEN, man. If y'all don't know who SRT LEN is, man, what are y'all doing? Y'all gotta tap into my boy, man. Tap into him, subscribe to him. We doing a POV drive with the one and only purple torch, y'all. Stay tuned to the end because it's gonna get crazy. We might end up getting into a chase. I don't know. I won't be the one driving. I'm giving the keys to Matthew, but we're gonna see what's going on from there. So we getting ready to meet him up right now at this gas station down the street. It's getting spooky, as y'all can see, man. The lighting's low. When SRT LEN want to do a POV at night, that's how you know it's gonna get critical. Stay tuned into the end, man. Make sure y'all smash the like button, comment, and subscribe. So hopefully y'all enjoy this joint, man. Let's get it. We're gonna pull up on them right now. So stay tuned. Hey guys. Hey guys.
How you doing?
I'm doing good.
You doing good, bud?
Yeah, nice to meet you, Matthew.
What's your name?
I'm Matthew number 2.
Matthew number 2?
Yes, sir.
You got gas?
I got like 50 miles.
We going to chase your fucking
I'm cooked. I should fill up. I'm gonna put like $5 in this joint. Boy got no money. I put $11 in a gas tank.
11 bones in the gas tank?
Is that enough for a chase?
He's big. Why the old head in there say I'm doing weird shit?
He said that?
Yeah.
You should have took the glasses off and threw them at him.
Bro, he said doing some weird shit, huh? He did not fuck with me.
Nah, he not fucking with you, bro. I think you should rev your car and spin right here.
Oh, we're definitely getting booked.
Oh, we're definitely getting booked. And chased by the ambulance. Tanny Mobile booty, you feel me? Both of the Tannies outside today, y'all. Both of the Tannies outside. My shit look crazy. Nah, this don't look crazy on the cam, bro. Oh my god. If I sound muffled, it's because I got the ski on, y'all. This shit look crazy.
You're not catching shit, pal.
Bitch, my Hellcat way too fast, I had the DS on the tritty. Fuck a hollow to my Glock, he sound like Jesus fighting demons. Just the copper's turkey, nigga made a worm, use a fan. All on video, said you like my content, shook my hand.
So this how Matthew's rocking today, y'all. We got the head mount on. I'm ready. We out. Yo, this shit sound crazy. By the way, that is a Demon 170 Charger, straight out of underground tuning. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Dig race me, young bull. Race me off a dig. Nah, he ate, bro. He killed me, bro. Police is right there. Oh. Yo, you saw him? Yo. You saw the cop? He was to the right. He turkey though, he didn't do nothing. He turkey. God. That shit sounds crazy, bro. That shit sound crazy, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, that shit sound crazy. I probably said that like 80 times, not even realizing it. I ain't turned up like this in a minute. Yo, young boy just ate the red light. That shit. Bro, what? Bro. Bro. Yo, how do cops not want to get this nigga, dog? This nigga drawing, bro. Crazy. Like, bro, how, bro? If it was me, I would have got pulled over. If it was me, I literally would have got pulled over, bro. Oh my. I need the underground too, then, y'all. Get on the highway? Fuck it. We get in the chase. Fuck it. I'm gonna follow you. Oh my God. That shit looks crazy, bro. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Bro. get that tune, bro. I gotta get the tune, bro. Bro, he's going, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. Oh man, we hit 95. It's chase time, y'all. It's chase time. I don't see no cops though. Rolling, bro. I'm running into traffic now. Big ass pothole right here. I gotta chill out. Yeah, I'm low. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, we out. Bro, what the hell, bro? Is he getting over? Then you got a shit box over here. I'm driving like I'm in a chase right now, bro. I automatically get them chase vibes every time I'm with them, bro. Yes. I can't drive regular. I gotta drive like this. Even if you're cruising, bro. Feels much better. That wind was cooking me. I thought he had 5-inch tips.
It's on there, it's on there.
It's on there.
You good, you good.
Yeah. Meet at the mall. He had his plate down the whole time.
Yeah.
He's crazy.
Wait, your plate up?
Yeah, I'm turkey. I would have still gotten the chase though. I would have still left him, but yo, I'm fed. I got my mask down and everything. I wouldn't have done that.
You gonna blur him out?
I want to spin so bad, but it's so fed around here. My car about to overheat and shit. The hell is that?
I heard that.
Is that his car? I think that's one of them. One of them back there.
Yeah.
They brakes or something. Guess he parking right here. It's a good thumbnail spot too. Tanny, y'all. How y'all like that POV drive? What happened?
I'm trying to figure out why niggas are at the mall at this time.
It's a crazy time to be at the mall, right?
Definitely fucking.
Definitely fucking. They all fucking. Every single one of these cars.
Every car here.
Everybody here is busting ass.
How was the drive?
Drive was great.
You like
It was a great experience. I was frightened, y'all. Like I actually thought I was gonna get into a chase. Like y'all saw me on camera. I was driving like this the whole time. Bro, his whole plate was down the whole time, bro. I was like,
Since I got the new engine, bro, I haven't been on a chase yet.
what is that? Hey, brother, scat, brother.
I'm gonna steal that shit.
That shit tough though.
Got enough clips. I got
Yeah,
enough clips.
I think it's gonna be a banger video regardless.
I think so too, man.
Feel me? We did what we had to do. The cops didn't today, so I mean, it is what it is. Maybe we'll get a part 2 one of these days.
I'm about to go steal another car.
And we about to go steal another, probably a Hellcat. Nah, we gonna get a Chrysler this time.
You want a Chrysler?
Yeah, let's get a Chrysler.
Let's do it, buddy.
Let's get a Chrysler. Let's do it. Yo, my car feel like it was about to overheat. It feel like it. I was just hitting that shit, bro. Your casual 6.4 engine, big 6.4. Also, that's the video, man. If y'all enjoyed, make sure y'all smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. My boy Len is pulling out right now. Pause. No homo. No homo. Like I said, if y'all enjoyed this, y'all smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. If y'all want a part 2, let me know. We looking forward to doing another video, a part 2 to this. So, turn this joint up for me. Hit that subscribe button. If I hit 50K, I'm buying a Hellcat. I'm trying to tell y'all. 50K, Hellcat off the lot. I promise y'all. All right, y'all. It's your boy lorShift. I'm going to catch y'all in the next banger video.
Turkey nigga made a worm, use a fan, all on video. Said you like my content, shook